Hello, welcome to my channel, Digital Media. Today, I will tell you how to apply for National Freelancing Training Program. Type nftp.pitb.gov.pk. Here is list of the program you can enroll. Freelancing, technical course, like HTML, JavaScript, digital marketing, and creative design. Click on New Registration. You will be directed to the registration portal. Enter your national identity card number. If you are not doing any job, then click on No. Select Agree, and click on Next. Enter your personal information, your academic information, and your contact information. After completing the form, click on button Apply. Now, you have successfully submitted your application. After this, you will receive login information on your email ID. Click on Login button. Enter your CNIC number and password, and sign in. You have to complete the test within 48 hours after registration, otherwise your application will be rejected. After successfully completion of test, the registration process will be finished.